And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Welcome back, everyone. I think the thing that most trick-or-treaters and parents of trick-or-treaters are going to remember about this Halloween will be the wind. The wind that is going to give us a real treat tomorrow. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Wow, what a treat. If you like warm weather, Mother Nature is really handing out a big treat tonight. There's no doubt about it. Does that look like the first 7 days of November? We're going to be looking at highs running 10 to 20 degrees above normal as we move through the next 7 days. Our normal high for November 1st is right at 50 degrees. Right now we are looking at temperatures that range from the mid-40s in Antigo to the lower 50s just about everywhere else, although we do have a few mid-50s here west of the Fox Valley. Temperatures will actually start to climb later on this evening and during the overnight hours as much warmer air pushes back into northeast Wisconsin. Currently in Green Bay, it is now dark. The sun has set. The temperature is 51. We're still looking at that wicked wind at around 15 to 25 miles per hour. It is 50 in Appleton. Winds are gusting up between 20 and 30 miles per hour at times. So as far as Halloweens go, we were nowhere near an extreme Halloween today. It wasn't the warmest. It wasn't the coldest. It wasn't the wettest. Maybe one of the windiest here as the chroma key gets ready to take off. It wasn't the widest. That was back in 1895 when we had an inch of snow, a white Halloween. Here's a look at some Halloween history over the last 5 years. And you can see we've had some tricks and some treats. Last year we had to deal with some rain. The year before that it was cold and we had some snow flurries around. The year before that it was mild, but we had that soaking rain. Most of that came to an end before all the ghosts and goblins went out to gather candy. For the rest of trick-or-treating, look for temperatures in the lower 50s with those gusty southerly winds. We had a few spooky sprinkles across the area earlier today. We are now drying out across the state, but additional showers are possible later on tonight as a warm front moves in from the west. On the other side of that warm front today, a huge warm-up compared to yesterday. Temperatures running 15 to 25 degrees warmer compared to Sunday afternoon, and that warmth 70s and 80s is moving east. We're not going to be looking at highs in the 80s, but some spots could actually be flirting with 70 degrees as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Today was the 4th straight day with above normal high temperatures. Tomorrow's going to be the 5th, and really there is no end in sight to the warm weather as we move through the next week or two here in northeast Wisconsin. Look at these highs tomorrow. The record high is in the mid-70s. I think the record high is safe, but some spots will get into the upper 60s to lower 70s as we move into the afternoon. Skycast shows that mixture of stars and clouds right now across the area, giving way to cloudy skies later on tonight as that warmer air pushes in. We'll have a few showers as well, some lingering clouds tomorrow morning, and then lots of sunshine by the time we get to the afternoon, and that's going to allow that temperature to take off. So your forecast for tonight does call for the creepy clouds to move back in with some of those scary showers, overnight lows right around 50, right about now. As we move deeper into the night, temperatures will be climbing through the 50s. In fact, by daybreak tomorrow, some spots will be already in the lower 60s. We'll see 60s to around 70 degrees tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day for November 1st, mostly sunny skies. On Wednesday, lots of clouds, maybe a shower across the south. A little bit cooler on Thursday, but then warm weather for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We fall back on Saturday. The Packers and the Colts at Lambeau on Sunday. Look at that kickoff temperature, 65 degrees. Absolutely wonderful. I know you've been eyeing that candy. I see you looking at it. Why don't you come by here at NBC 26? We're handing out candy right now. If you bring your kids, we'll take a picture of them and put them on NBC 26 Live at 10 tonight. Back to you, Megan.